squares inspired by the recipe from Cookies I Have Loved. For this recipe, the ingredients we're going to need is dates from George Me's Chop, butter, cane sugar, flour, oatmeal, salt, cinnamon, and baking soda, and orange juice and water. The first step for this recipe is we're going to remove the pits from our dates, and then we're going to remove the flour. The next step is to make the jam. So in the recipe, it asks for 2 cups of dates, then 1 cup of water, and a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. But we think that the dates have enough sugar in it, so we're not going to add the brown sugar, and we're going to change the water for orange juice. We're doing orange juice to add acidity that cuts sweetness. Now we're going to simmer it on low heat until it softens. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a medium-sized bowl, we're going to put all the dry ingredients and we're going to mix it up. We're substituting the brown sugar with cane sugar because it's less sweet. After that, we're going to take our butter and we're going to grate it in. Now we're going to take our mixture and we're going to take almost half, a little bit more, and then we're going to put it on the bottom of our pan. Now we're going to take our jam and we're going to spread it on our baking pan, and then we're going to sprinkle the rest of the crumble mixture on top. We put 3 cups of jam. Now we're going to put it in the oven for 45 minutes. This is all for today, foodies. I hope you had fun in the kitchen, and I hope to see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and to like the video.